Let's walk through filling out a Wells Fargo check correctly. First, in the top right corner, write today's date, November 4, 2025, using the MMDDYYY format. Next, on the Pay to the Order of line, clearly write the recipient's name or the business name. For example, John Doe or ABC Company. Avoid writing cash to minimize the risk of theft. In the amount box, write the numeric amount, like $150 for $150, being precise with cents. Below that, on the written amount line, spell out the amount in words, $150 and 00100. This helps prevent fraud. Finally, sign your name on the bottom right line using a consistent signature and an ink pen for security. The memo line is optional, but helpful for your records. Write a brief note, such as rent payment, November 2025, to identify the transaction later. When endorsing a check as the recipient, sign your name on the back as it appears on the Pay to the Order of line. For added security, especially if depositing via mobile, write for deposit only along with your account number on the back. Always use official Wells Fargo check stock. To enhance security, avoid writing checks payable to cash in high-risk situations. Monitor your account balance via the Wells Fargo app to prevent overdrafts. Consider using mobile check deposit for faster and more secure processing. Wells Fargo's app now uses AI-driven check scanning and biometric endorsements. Also be aware of Wells Fargo's routing number, which is 1210248.